What up, guys? So there's some time since my last video, and that's why, because I'm working at my own project. I have something from my university, a lot of works, and yeah, hopefully, no, not hopefully. This weekend I'm going to finish my Flappy Bird series, and I have some news for you too, about the future of the channel. Alright, so recently I bought Game Maker, the professional edition. I'm going to launch here the program. Uh, I bought a license for my program, and now I also can develop with Game Maker. I'm just going to open my project here, and I'm going to explain this tool for those who doesn't know. So Game Maker is a program that is so easy of making games, and also easy to export for different kinds of platforms like Android, iOS, and you only have to code once, and the the uh, the programming language that uses is like, let you open here, is really easy. I mean, is almost like JavaScript, in my opinion. And this is way faster for, in my opinion, if I want to make a game. I learned Game Maker like just for hobby after uh, uh, some time that I was kind of tired of only coding Java, and I want to try something new. This was about 1 year ago, and yeah, I think I learned really good how to use this program, but I never actually could was able to make a project because I didn't have a license. And yeah, so now I have a license, and I'm working in my own project. This is gonna be for Windows and Android. I don't have yet the plugin for to support for Android, but I think the next week I'm going to buy it for I can start to make my tests, because the game is already in a really good really good it's going really good, the game. I have all my ideas are really clear of what I want with the game, and yeah, I'm working at this project, I think in 5 days already. And oh yeah, and now that I have the Game Maker with license, I'm also going to make tutorials for Game Maker in the channel. That I if you don't want to code in Java, or if you are not so good at coding and you wanna make games easy, you can use Game Maker too. There's a free edition that you can download in the website, and uh, start coding your own games with Game Maker. There is a lot of channels on YouTube too that really helped me to understand the basics of Game Maker to for me to get started. And now is I mean, this is the you with Game Maker you can use drag and drop, but I prefer to use code for make my I feel I have more control if I use code, but there are a lot of options to make drag and drop. And what else? What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, the I don't know if I already said, but today, our last part. I'm going to open Eclipse now of the Flappy Bird series. What is that? No, that's not our game. This was only some testing. Where is the game? Oh yeah, I I clean my Eclipse history, so I need to import again our project. Yeah. can see, I'm going to import again. Don't worry, I didn't delete the project. It's here. I yeah. So yeah, today is gonna be our last part. If I remember correctly, we are going to make sprites and import, and are going to add sound effects and try to make a game over and menu screen. Alright, so probably today, Brazil time now is 4:43 p.m. of Saturday, and probably 8 or 9 o'clock the tutorials are going to come. And Game Maker, I'm gonna try to post a really simple tutorial for those who are beginner as well. And yeah, I think I'm gonna run my game for you guys to see what I have so far, and you can tell me a feedback. Let's hope that I can run my game without lag because I'm recording. So yeah, I have a little history here for game. I'm gonna skip. If I press ask, I'm gonna skip. I made a damage formula, like RPG kind of system, but this is more action kind of game. Basically, you have to escape this prison, and you are going to collect resource and weapons, sword, guns, and you are going to fight with the guards until the final boss. I think it's gonna be a really fun game. This is the attack. I don't know if you can hear the sound. I'm not really good with art, so I try to keep everything really simplistic. So I have a somersault system here that I implemented. Yeah, this is gonna be a really fun game. I think I have a lot of hopes. So I think that's it, guys. Stay tuned in the channel for receive the updates, and see you guys tonight. Thanks.